With the eBay Design Package, each of our customers gets access to their own custom-developed Listing Manager. The Listing Manager is a tool we developed to make it a snap to create listings with the same presence and features as your storefront by implementing the custom listing template into each product or auction. Each customer will create a login for this feature, and using this requires absolutely no technical knowledge or know-how of HTML. This is the Listing Manager demo, which you can see and test by selecting Listing Manager Demo from the eBay Design Navigation drop-down menu at TrueSky.com. This particular demo was created for a merchant organization called Absolute Brands. They're an eBay seller who specialize in selling designer sunglasses. Many of the fields you see here are only important to selling sunglasses. But whatever your product line, we'll customize your manager account to make the listing process as easy and fast as possible for you. The fields at the top are for image URLs. Your URL is the location of your image on the internet. You can find and copy that URL by right-clicking on the image and hitting Copy Image Location. This copies the image URL to your computer's clipboard. Now, you can paste the URL into the main image URL field. Additional URL fields are available, but don't worry if you leave them blank or if you have more than 5 images. The next step in the process will allow you to enter as many images as you'd like. Now we're going to fill out some additional information about the sunglasses we want to sell. Title, brand, model, frame color, lens color, etc. This particular listing manager contains a great deal of detail about each pair of sunglasses, but we'll leave some blank for now. At the bottom of the page, you can enter some general information about the product you're selling. For now, we'll keep it very simple. When you've completed filling out the form, simply hit the button at the bottom of the page which states Import into my Listing Manager. We're now delivered to a page with a split view. The top view contains an editor called a WYSIWYG, or What You See is What You Get editor, that will allow you to make changes and updates to the product listing. We can add additional images by clicking the Image button. We can add text. We can increase the size of text. We can center the text, or just about do anything you want. When you're finished making your changes, click the Submit Changes button. The bottom view of the page shows how it will look live on eBay. You'll notice the search features, categories, and policy text are part of the listing. If you're logging in for the first time and you see your policy text boxes are blank, send us some information and we'll implement it into your manager for you. Once you're sure you've made all the changes you want to the product listing, click on the Source button at the top left side of the page. Copy all the source. The easiest way to do this is by clicking in the source field, then pressing Ctrl-A, then Ctrl-C on your keyboard. Now paste the source into the eBay listing under Item Description. Make sure the HTML tab is active. Don't switch back to Standard View and don't hit Preview. We've already seen precisely how this listing will look on the TrueSky Manager. Simply enter the price and shipping information, then hit List Your Item. Now we have a perfect, professionally designed listing with all the search features of your storefront thanks to the TrueSky Listing Manager. Remember, you don't have to use the TrueSky Listing Manager. Our listing templates are compatible with eBay by default or any of the other listing tools you might use, such as Channel Advisor, InkFrog, Optiva, etc. You can take the source and implement the template into your listing manager anytime you'd like. If you have any questions about the manager, feel free to contact our customer service. If you'd like to purchase the eBay Design Package, use the Buy Now button at the bottom of the eBay Design page on TrueSky.com or contact us via the form on the right-hand side.